And we're back, guys. So I haven't updated you on my personal vehicle for a long time, but since we've started, or since my ownership of the actual Tesla, I've actually started another business protecting Tesla. So I wanted to go ahead and give you guys an update on the vehicle because we do have a new set of wheels. So I'll be showing you guys that in a split second. And here we go. So this is our Tesla Model Y. It is a 2021 long range model, guys. So this vehicle is fully wrapped in the matte paint protection film. And the nice part about this film is it is self-healing. So normally on matte wraps and things like that with vinyl, you have to be really careful because scratches will not come out. It will not be polished out and things like that. So this film is really nice. It actually changes the color from a gloss finish to a nice satin finish. And the Tesla, as you guys know, has a nice pearl finish on it, so it comes out really nicely. And that leads us to pretty much my only complaint about this car are these wheels. They're normally covered by hubcaps. I don't know what it is with Tesla and the choice of OEM tires that they use, but I had numerous issues with it, and I am down to the last tread, so it is time to replace these wheels. I decided to go with the same 19-inch setup because later on I do plan on going with air suspension on this vehicle. So we'll go ahead and show you the wheels right now. And that's right, our choice for wheels were 19-inch Volk TE37s. We are going to be going pretty aggressive. This is Volk TE37 19 by 10.5, 22 offset. So these are going to be poking out a lot more than these are. Now, the crew over here are installing PPF, and they're using our quick jack to raise the car. So I'm going to have to be doing it the old school way and doing these one wheel at a time. Okay guys, so we have the front on, so let's go ahead and show you guys the fitment. Definitely needs lowering. A little bit of poke, but nothing a little bit of camber and lowering can't fix. Should be getting the same amount of mileage per charge because these, I've weighed them, are significantly lighter than the OEM wheels. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, guys, and show you guys how it looks pre-bags. Okay guys, and just like that, we are all wrapped up. Front has quite a bit of poke, I'm not gonna lie. So look at this. So rear, definitely gonna have to play with some tire fitment on this because these came off a different vehicle, and we're gonna have to fill it in and lower the vehicle. Yeah, I gotta honestly admit, 19s are really designed more for Model 3s. I think the Model Ys really need at least a 20, 21 in this wheel well to fill it up. But you know, bought this because these tires are completely shot on my OEM wheels. I'm glad to get them up. So I'm gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Thank you for tuning in. And if you guys want to see some more PPF content and us wrapping other customers' vehicles, feel free to check out our other channel, Wrapstars, and you'll get to see my wife, Sienna, who's actually a certified STEK installer, do some of her tricks and show you guys some tips and tricks if you guys are ever planning to do this type of business or trying to do DIY installs yourself. So, all right, thank you guys for tuning in. Yeah, this was a video update of our Tesla.